Hello and welcome to Mr. T's Math Tutorials. Today we're going to be focusing on simultaneous equations. Now, we've got equation 1 and we've got equation 2. Y equals x plus 7 at the top and y equals 3x plus 3 at the bottom. Now, both equations here equal y. And all I've done here is I've made them equal to one another because they both equal y. So x plus 7 now equals 3x plus 3. Now if we take the x over here, we get 2x on this side. And if we take the 3 over here, we've got 7 minus 3, which is 4. So we've got 2x equals 4, meaning that x equals 2. Okay, now if we go back up to the first equation, we could use the second equation, but the first equation is simpler. So we'll go back to that one. So y equals x plus 7. Now we know what x is. We're trying to find y. We know what x is because it's 2. So 2 plus 7. So y is 9. Okay, now once we've got the two values for x and y, we go back up to equation 2. And we'll put the values in and see if we're right. So y, 9, equals 3 times 2, which is 6 plus 3. Now, does 6 plus 3 equal 9? Yes, it does, meaning that 2 and 9 are the correct values. Okay. Now, another method for simultaneous equations is a bit different. Now we've got 2x plus y equals 4 as our first equation, and as our second equation we've got x plus y equals 1. Okay, so now we haven't got two equations that equal y or the same thing, but we have got the same format. Now because these y's here are the same, we can take those out. So if we subtract the equations from one another, because these symbols are the same. Now if these were different symbols, so if that were a plus and that was a minus, we would add the equations. But because they're the same, we subtract the equations. So y minus y is nothing, so we forget that. 2x minus x is x, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so we've got the x value for those two equations. Now we go back to the simplest equation to find our y value, which would be equation 2. So we've got x plus y equals 1. We obviously know what x is because it's 3. So 3 plus y equals 1. Therefore, y must equal minus 2. Okay, now, like the other equation, we'll go back to the first equation, or the other equation that we haven't done, which is 2x plus y equals 4. We know what x is, so 2 times 3 is 6, plus minus, so minus 2 equals 4. Does 6 minus 2 equals 4? Yes, it does. So again, we know that x is 3 and y is minus 2 are the correct values.